Hello and welcome to AI Plus More, your go-to source for everything AI related and beyond. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, having a compelling and professional website is a fundamental requirement for businesses and individuals alike. However, the intricacies and technicalities of website creation often pose challenges for many entrepreneurs. Durable AI steps in as an innovative solution, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to empower users in effortlessly designing stunning websites. Durable AI is a revolutionary website builder that stands out for its simplicity and user-friendliness, leveraging AI technology to streamline the process of website creation. With Durable AI, users can initiate their website development journey within 30 seconds. Beyond its rapid website creation capabilities, Durable AI offers a comprehensive suite of additional features to enhance the user experience. Let's check them out. Let's talk about this wide range of advanced features, all designed to simplify the website creation process and optimize the resulting website. Some of the standouts are: code-free website creation. Durable AI enables users to design fully functional websites without requiring any coding experience. SEO-optimized content. The platform ensures that the website's content, images, and contact forms are optimized for search engines, enhancing visibility and attracting more visitors. An all-in-one platform, Durable AI goes beyond website creation, offering a variety of tools for invoicing, marketing, and other business-related activities, all accessible within a single platform. Real-time analytics. Users can monitor their website's performance in real time through Durable AI's analytics feature, making data-driven decisions to improve their online presence. Domain and hosting service. Durable AI simplifies the process by providing domain and hosting services directly within the platform. AI-powered copywriting. Durable AI offers an AI-powered copywriting service, generating compelling content for Google Ads and other advertising platforms. Before we continue with the video, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to check out other videos. Let's continue with the video. We're here at Durable's main platform. We'll see a little bit of what they offer and we'll generate our first website. Click on generate website or build your site right here at the top. And we'll see if they meet their promise of 30 seconds. Let's create a business called Timmy's Food Emporium. Business is in West Virginia. And do the same name and see what it comes up with. And let's see if the promise of 30 seconds is actually true. I gotta say, I think that was less than 15 seconds. So their promise of 30 seconds is very much true. So we have a color palette, brand identity, very good stock footage, titles, copywriting that looks pretty realistic. It looks well done. This is a cool thing about it. If you don't like a section, say if we... Well, I actually do like this section, but let's say we don't like this one. We can regenerate this section, or we could just delete it. Let's try that again. That looks better. And we could delete some of these sections. We can change the color palette. We can fully customize it. Let's try that by clicking the customize button. So now that we're logged in, we have full access to customize every part. We're gonna try with the header. Let's go into edit header, and we could add a logo that we designed, or we could actually generate that with another AI. We could add some buttons, like an external button that takes us somewhere else. We could toggle on and off the social links. I think I'm gonna turn that off for now. We can save it. I think we can change the colors from there. Yes, we click on the style and we can change the color. And let's try, what would be the best for a food brand? Let's go into the greens. I think that'd be the best. Let's give it a dark green. Yeah, let's do that. We can change the spacing. We can change the size of the button. We can change how it's aligned. We can change if the header is sticky, so if that'll move when we move down. I'm gonna turn that off and save it. So that's great. Say if we don't like this, we can also regenerate it. Or we could change the content, we can add content of our own. We're gonna try regenerating it. Oh, it's actually offering us to regenerate just the content, just the style, or the entire section. Let's try it with content, because there's not much style to it. It's just a plain photo, full size. That looks more restaurant-y than a supermarket, so let's try that again. That's more of a coffee shop, but it's good that they have like really good quality stock footage and really varied sections. There's a lot of restaurant-y kind of stock footage, but yeah, all of these are pretty useful. This looks like the movies, but that's great. We'll try one more and then we'll move on. That's straight up that's straight up an Asian restaurant, but that's okay. Freshly prepared meals, savor our delicious, made-to-order meals bursting with flavors. Enjoy a variety of gourmet options. That's a pretty good copywriting that doesn't require you to be banging your head against the wall or hiring someone to do this. And we could go into this button called Visit Website, and now you have a 24-hour link available that you could share for 24 hours. It says that it'll change after that, and once you register the website, it'll be permanent. Let's try regenerating this text. Oh, it's actually testimonials. That's super easy to regenerate. That's really cool. We can change the website styles. We can change out the Contact Us button. And we could actually regenerate the whole website if we wanted. Well, let's go into the Open AI Assistant and ask to add one more page. And we can even add a second page to our website. Let's see how that looks. We're creating a frequently asked questions section. That's super useful, and those are actually good questions to ask a restaurant. It's a pretty short page because you don't need much in a frequently asked questions, and you can just edit that. And then you can go back to the main page. That's great. And now, if you wanted to publish this website, you click on Publish, and you choose your plan to go live. Let's talk about pricing. Durable AI offers a risk-free 30-day free trial, allowing users to explore its capabilities. After that trial period, though, users can choose from various affordable plans, with prices starting at $12 USD per month. The starter plan, you get a custom domain name, you get chat onboarding, you get email support, unlimited storage, 50 contacts, 5 invoices, 50 AI-generated promotions, SSL certificate, analytics, search engine optimization. There's a lot included. But there's also the business plan. Billed annually is $20 a month. You get a premium custom domain name, an on-call onboarding, priority customer support, unlimited contacts, unlimited invoices, and unlimited AI-generated promotions. You also get every other perk that was included in the starter plan, like the access to free stock images, the SSL certificate, the analytics, the website hosting, and the SEO. Durable AI serves a broad range of users and industries, including business owner establishing a strong online presence and effectively market products or services, professionals, you can showcase your expertise and manage clients efficiently, freelancers, you can deliver professional websites to clients efficiently, and marketers, you can generate persuasive marketing content effortlessly. Durable AI emerges as a game changer in the realm of website creation, empowering users to effortlessly design a professional website powered by AI technology. Its suite of features, ease of use, and affordability make it a valuable tool for businesses, professionals, freelancers, and marketers alike. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, Durable AI is at the forefront of AI-powered website management, shaping the future of online presence and business. This has been all from me today. Here, AI Plus More. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Check out these other videos. Stay creative. Here, AI Plus More. Take care.